Welcome to Simply Drawful. I'm Tay. With me today I have got Christian.
What's up?
And K-Stud, or K.
Hey.
Simply Drawful, we like to take suggestions, do some drawings. They're going to either be Simply Drawful or great. We don't know. We'll decide. Up first is going to be Christian. You can see him drawing himself there. So today we're going to be continuing the trend. We're going to make some new Pokemon predictions for the Alola region. I'm using the Fursona generator, which you can find down in the description. Try it at home for yourself. It's pretty damn fun. All right, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, so here is your first prompt. It is a holy slug. It loves to wear combat boots with cute stickers all over them. It has very long hair with many flowers in it.
What? Okay, I got Holy Slug.
Yep, holy slug.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
It loves to wear combat boots with cute stickers all over them.
Okay, that's amazing. Okay,
I thought this would be right up your alley.
Alright, let's go for it. So, let me, I just think slug. Oh, slugs don't have a shell, huh?
Nope.
Okay, but they have like stalks for eyes, don't they?
So,
Yes.
Being personally from Hawaii, I mean,
yeah.
what slugs are in the Alola or the Hawaii region that would be carry over to the Alolan region?
Oh, like the...
The invasive ones.
Yeah, absolutely. Like we were taught that these were kind of like pests almost, so like...
Well, maybe this is a pest to the Alola region.
But it's holy. So, like, holy as in, like, religious figure? Or, like,
that it says holy, so
many holes.
I assume religious, however you interpret it.
oh my god, where would its hair grow from?
So imagine its hair is like so long that it just draped back into its slime,
Oh my
kind
gosh,
of wet.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it will have, like, flowers, like, trailing behind it. So that way you know, like, oh my gosh, I'm following the trail of the holy slug.
How does it make a trail of slime with its on boots?
Oh my gosh, I didn't think of that. Hold on, let me redo it. Okay, hold
Yeah,
on.
it's got to, at least its back of its body's got to like drape down and touch the ground.
You know what?
Maybe a bigger slug.
Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
So let's do this. But then his hair will drape down like this.
Oh, and that's where the slime's coming from,
Yeah,
huh?
there you go.
So it's like the slug wanted to be a snail, but couldn't quite figure it out, so it decided to wear boots on its bottom instead of a shell on its back.
Oh, yeah, totally.
Does it?
And how did he...
Can it like hide in the shoes? When it's trying to escape.
What I would imagine it would do, spins around, and then you just see like both pairs of boots empty, but which one is it in?
Oh,
Who knows?
I mean, is that its ability right there? Kind of
Oh,
like
yeah,
a
what would-
withdraw or
what would
something.
shell
Yeah. It's a shell game.
Shell.
So it's a 50-50 chance if you're going to even hit it.
Okay, so but it's holy, right? How am I
So
gonna
does
do
it
that?
have like a halo, or does it have?
Oh, what
like,
about
angel wings?
Angel
or,
wing?
you know?
Oh, so it's like a flying type.
So if you did the halo, would it be ghost type? Yeah, typing. What do you envision this typing being? Is it like
part
a sea
maybe
slug?
part like poison.
Poison? Okay.
Probably. Well, I think poison would be like its secondary type.
Okay, so if the halo, does the halo make it ghost?
Oh, maybe.
So is
Or-
it ghost poison?
Or is it like a grass type with all the hair? Is the hair actually more grass
Like-
and flowers?
it could be like prehensile hair that it uses in its attack, like a vine whip,
Yeah.
Yes.
but like hair whip. I suppose.
Does he embrace his holy side, or is he trying to rebel? Thus the combat boots.
Oh, do you think it's like he's holy because maybe like natives when they first saw him revered him as like something?
Oh, some like deity or something.
Yeah, so maybe in that sense he's holy, but he himself doesn't view himself as much. Like, yeah, I got a halo.
What of it?
I know, right? Yeah, my hair is long and fabulous. So what?
So now the question is, is he still revered in the Alola region, or has they grown past that like superstition? They just now know it's a weird ass slug.
They probably just grew past it, but it's still. I bet there's like festivals that like celebrate it. And you
Okay.
go to like town square or something.
And there's
they're,
just
like,
giant holy slug floats going on.
Oh yeah, totally. All the locals, especially the young ones, are like, what the
Like
hell
they
is
want
this?
they want to ride on it.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
How big is this? Like, how big are we talking? This slug in particular. Well, because sea slugs can
They get really big.
pretty big.
And is it a sea slug that like its ancestors were sea slugs and they came up onto the land?
Oh, probably.
And then that's when they first saw it and they're like,
No. This is the first one to go onto land because he found some really kick-ass combat boots.
someone
my
dropped
gosh.
their boots in the ocean. He's like, hey, guess I'll try this.
And then he was just like, I can never go back.
This is amazing. Like, you guys need to try this. Oh, but you know what I forgot? His combat boots have fun little stickers. Wasn't that right?
Yep,
Yep.
they do. The typical like stickers you would see on a 5th grader's binder.
Oh, in that case, we need to go Lisa Frank style.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And I love that he just looks very apathetic to everything.
But he's like so majestic. He has beautiful long hair.
Yeah, but he's giving up on life. That look of just, yeah, I know, I'm holy.
He's seen the best and worst that humanity has to offer.
So, is he like a legendary of the Alolan region?
Oh, he should be.
There's only one of him, and he's just really old. So, I mean, I think since he's the legendary, revered, like if you just come walking along one day and you just kind of see this trail of, you know, 'cause like when Snell's, you can tell where Snell's been, but you see that plus just flowers randomly. You know that's considered good luck, I think, because it's like,
for sure, yeah.
I just crossed the path of the, what's his name?
Oh, I didn't think of his name. Oh, you know what? In Hawaiian, your Aumakua is your like guardian, your protector.
But maybe combine that with Slug.
Slugakua.
Slugakua?
Slugakua. Oh man, Mom, you won't believe what I saw today. The revered Slugakua. I've been waiting 30 years to see the Slugakua.
Well, haven't you been putting out your ceremonial combat boot?
Oh, but you know what, Mom? I forgot my happy stickers. That's it. We're going to CVS. We're getting those Lisa Frank stickers right now. Oh, and Lisa Frank stickers are like stupid expensive.
Well, I have to import them over from the Kanto region.
Oh yeah.
Don't forget the flowers.
Oh yeah.
Because that's how you know you have passed the trail of Slugakua.
And not just a regular old slug.
All right.
Yeah. So when he came out of the sea with his combat boots, did that kill him?
I just think he kind of rolled with it.
Yeah, he was just like, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, whatever.
Whatever.
Let's do it.
So is he ghost grass or from the sea, so ghost water or?
I feel like it could be ghost water, but with like a bunch of like poison type moves mixed in.
Yeah, yeah.
too.
I mean, he's a legendary, so he can just do.
He can do whatever the hell he
Pretty
wants. He could freaking just come down with like a dazzling beam and you wouldn't even know it. Like,
Yeah.
why does he know a fairy type?
Because he's Slugakua.
He's Slugakua.
We don't question Slugakua.
Alright, so let's see what we got. That's amazing. Alright, should I throw some colors on it?
Yeah, do
Alright,
it.
Let's
I mean, because yeah, we've seen some of the legendaries in the Alola region. You got the like lion, the like bat, the like the robot bunny.
Oh yeah.
So and I'm glad that we finally got to see another one here. Here you go.
There you go.
Slugakua. Wow,
Slugakua.
that is amazing. I worship it right now.
I know.
I'm going to start my own church.
I'm gonna start praying to it every night.
And yeah, I think I can get some followers.
I told this the church is Slugakua. It's happening right before us.
It is now.
It's glorious.
Find a local church in your area today.
We'll start the Las Vegas chapter. All right.
Let's get you out of the driver's seat.
Cool.
You ready, Kay? Your prompt. It is a cream and pink wasp. It comes from a long line of royalty. It dresses like a pinup girl.
Do it.
Oh no.
Do it.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the creation of Slugakua, and we'll tune in next Wednesday for part 2, where I take us from Pokemon Deity to Pokemon Royalty. In the meantime, you can see our first episode of Simply Drawful here on the top, or watch our latest episode of Tay Plays below, where we finally receive the running shoes as well as welcome a new member to the team. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe, or if you want to do even more, you can click here to support us over at Patreon. Until next time, thanks again for watching.